Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss one programming questions, one questions 4 to 5 types of the solutions. Okay, these questions asked in many interviews. They will ask write a program to swap the contents of two variables. Along with questions they will show one example. Suppose variable A contain 10, variable B contain 20, result A becomes 20, B becomes 10. That is after operation. Okay, they will give a 10 and 20. They will give an example A, B, and after the result A becomes 20, B becomes 10. That is swapping. This will sometimes such type of questions will ask in programming also. Sometimes they will ask a theoretical also to write a program, write a one-line expression for swapping the two variables. Then how to solve? First approach, you can solve using arithmetical operator, that is plus and minus. You can solve this. You can solve these questions using the arithmetical operator. I will show you different expressions, different solutions. Okay, first we will try to solve using the arithmetical operations, that is plus and minus. Okay, simply you have to write a equal to a plus b, a equal to a plus b, b equal to a minus b, a equal to a minus b. This will give you a result. This will give you a result. See here, a is equal to a plus b means a is equal to 10 plus 20 means 30. A becomes 30. B is still 20 only. Now B is equal to A minus B. A is 30. B equal to A is 30 minus B is 20. So B becomes 10. Now B is 10. Now A is 30 minus B is 10. So A becomes 20. Okay, finally we got the solutions. A becomes 20, B becomes 10. Like that we have written here the solution for swapping two variable. Okay, like that you can write. Okay, see, solution you can write A is equal to A plus B, B equal to A minus B, A equal to A minus B. This is the first solution. Second solution, if they will tell in one line expressions, okay, this will also give same result like this. This is a one line expressions, this is a multi-line expressions. Based on question of interviewer, if the interviewer asks one line equations, then go for this. Otherwise you can tell the simple solutions. Okay, see how to solve these expressions. A is equal to A plus B. A is 10 plus 20 minus B becomes 10. B becomes 10. Now 10 plus, now here B becomes B equal to 10. Okay, content of A stored into the variable B. B becomes 10. 10 plus 20, 30 minus this is 10, 20. A becomes 20, B becomes 10. Content of two variables swapped using this equation also. Content of A and B swapped using this equation. So this is a second solution. Okay, make a note of this also along with this also. Now second using arithmetical only, second solution using arithmetical only, but by using multiplication division operators. Okay, same expressions are there. A is equal to A into B, B equal to A by B, A equal to A by B. This will also give same result. And one line equations, that is A equal to A into B by B equal to A. This will also give a same answer. I will show one answer is here. 10 into 20 divided by, now content of B, replace content of B, content of A copied into the variable B, that is now B becomes 10. b equal to 10 into 20, 10 into 20, that is 200 divided by 10, that is 20. Like that you can write solution of these questions. You can write using the arithmetical operator, that is multiplication division operator. Okay, this is the third solution, this is the fourth solution. Okay, now we will go for fifth solutions, and it is one of the important solutions. Most of the interviewer asked write a program to swap the content of two variables using a bitwise operator, okay, that is using bitwise operator. Using bitwise operator. Okay, using bitwise operator. Okay, same, there is no, you have to use the XOR operator, that is A is equal to A XOR B, B equal to A XOR B, A equal to A XOR B. Or you can go simply one line expression, that is A is equal to A XOR B XOR B equal to A. This will also gives the solution. Okay, here we used only two operators. To swap the content of two variable. Okay, here we use only two operators. This will plays a very vital role in interview. If the interviewer will ask, write a program to swap the content of two variable using only two operators or using bitwise operator, please go for this. Okay, you can try to solve these equations, definitely you will get the same result. Thank you.